Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a curious little monkey named Milo. Milo was known for his mischievous nature and his knack for getting into trouble. One sunny day, as Milo swung from tree to tree, he noticed a strange object lying on the forest floor. It was a shiny golden key. Intrigued by the key, Milo picked it up and examined it closely. "I wonder what this key unlocks," he thought to himself. Filled with excitement, he set off on an adventure to find the lock that the key belonged to. Milo jumped from branch to branch, asking his fellow forest dwellers if they knew about any mysterious locks. The wise old owl, Hooty, heard Milo's question and hooted, "Ah, young Milo, there is indeed a legend about a hidden treasure in this forest. They say it can only be unlocked by a special key." Eyes widened with excitement, Milo pleaded, "Please, Hooty, tell me where this treasure is." Hooty perched on a branch and began his tale. Legend has it that deep in the heart of the forest, where the sun's rays barely penetrate, lies the Tree of Wonders. Hidden within its hollow trunk is a treasure chest that holds priceless gems and magical artifacts. Milo's heart raced with anticipation. He thanked Hooty and rushed deeper into the forest, determined to find the Tree of Wonders. After hours of searching, he stumbled upon an ancient, gnarled tree with a hollow trunk. It was the Tree of Wonders. With trembling hands, Milo inserted the golden key into the lock and turned it. The trunk creaked open, revealing a dazzling sight. The treasure chest sparkled with jewels of every color, and a radiant light filled the air. Milo's eyes widened with awe and greed. But just as he was about to reach for the treasure, he heard a soft, gentle voice. "Milo, my child, remember that true treasures are not measured by their material worth." Startled, Milo looked around to find a wise old turtle perched nearby. The turtle continued, "The true treasure lies in the beauty of nature, the friendships we build, and the joy we bring to others." Milo hesitated, his heart filled with a mix of desire and guilt. He realized that the turtle was right. The true value of life lay in the simple joys and the love and compassion we share with others. With a heavy heart, Milo closed the treasure chest and turned away from the shiny jewels. He returned the key to the lock and decided to find a way to share the beauty of the Tree of Wonders with his forest friends.